So this is the set in which we have been given a table and we have been given the sale amounts of 4 different cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, in 2 years 2018 and 19 for each of the cities in 3 departments: apparels, electronics and home decor. If you look at the entries in the table, some of them are there but many of them are missing as well. Okay, so a rough idea is we have to fill this table, of course. So this is not a very tough set, we'll call it below moderate, but then again we have to take care of the information given to us. So a lot of clues have been given to us, we'll take care of them. If we go to the questions, we have in home decor department of which cities were the sales amounts the highest in 2018 and 19 respectively. What was the increase in sales amount in crore rupees in the apparel department of Mumbai from 2018 to 19? So basically these questions are talking about the fields present in the table, okay? Because we have been given 4 cities and the sale amounts in different departments, apparel, electronics and home decor in each year 2018 to 19. So somehow if we find out all the data that is missing from the table, we can easily answer these questions, okay? So that's how you can roughly judge a set, okay? Let us read the clues, we'll find all the missing fields in the table and then we'll answer the questions, okay? So we have a chain of departmental stores has outlets in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Kolkata. The sales are categorized by its 3 departments: apparel, electronics and home decor. An accountant has been asked to prepare a summary of the 2018 and 2019 sale amounts for an internal report. He has collated partial information and prepared the following table. So collated simply means to collect, okay? So in the table below we have partial information and I hope you understood. We have 4 cities, 2 years 18-19 in which sale amounts have been given of these 3 departments, okay? So now we have the additional information given. Let's read it. The sales amount in the apparel department were the same for Delhi and Kolkata in 2018. So we are specifically talking about the sale amount in the apparel department. So we'll take care of this row only. Were the same for Delhi and Kolkata in 2018. So Delhi 2018, Kolkata 2018 will have the same amount. So that means let it be X and this will also be X because they are same, right? We are done with the first point. Second is the sales amounts in the apparel department were the same for Mumbai and Bangalore in 2018. So again, we are talking about the apparel department. Sale amount was same for Mumbai and Bangalore in 2018. So Mumbai, Bangalore, it must be same, right? In 2018. So let me assume this is Y. So of course this will also be Y. So we are done with the second point as well. Then reading further, this sales amount matched the sales amount in the apparel department for Delhi in 2019. So apparel department, Delhi 2019, this is also same. That means this will also be equal to Y, right? I hope this much is understood. This was simple clue putting, right? Then next point is the sales amounts in the home decor department were the same for Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018. So Mumbai, Kolkata 2018 sales amount was same in home decor department. So home decor department, we have Mumbai and Kolkata 2018. So Mumbai, Kolkata 2018, let me assume this is Z. So this will also be equal to Z, right? After this, the sum of sales amounts of 4 electronics departments increased by the same amount as the sum of sale amounts of 4 apparel departments from 2018 to 19. So it is saying that sum of the sales amount of 4 electronic departments increased by same amount. 4 electronic departments, that means we are talking about electronic departments in all these cities, okay? By the same amount as the sum of sales amounts of 4 apparel department from 2018 to 19. So 18 to 19, the increase is same. So if we look at the increase in the electronic departments in these 4 cities, so electronic departments 18 to 19, this increased by 20, right? 78 to 98. Then again 82 to 102, this is again an increase of how much? 20. Then here 90 to 70, that means a decrease of 20. And then in Kolkata, it is 80 to 100 from 18 to 19, right? So again an increase of 20. So here we have plus 20, here we have plus 20, then we have minus 20, and then we have again plus 20. So let me assume that I'm representing total sales amount in electronic department of 2018 by this bracket, okay? So electronic departments 2018, this is the sales. So what was the total increase from 2018 to 19? We can see we have plus 20, then again plus 20 here, and then minus 20 here. So that means we have net change of 20 so far, and then at last it again increased by 20, so there's a total increase of 40. Or even if you just cancel this 20 plus 20 and minus 20, we can see that we have a net increase of 20 here and 20 here. That means a net increase of 40, okay, in 2018. So 2018 plus 40 will give me the sales of 2019, okay, and this is for the electronics department. So I hope this is understood. This was very easy. Same is the case for apparel department as well, okay, from 18 to 19. So if we talk about the apparel department in 2018, its total sales will be x plus y plus y plus x, so 2x plus 2y, right? So 2x plus 2y, and here also in the apparel department it increased by the same amount. That means it will also increase by 40 because there was a net increase of 40 in the electronic department, so net increase of 40 in apparel as well. This should be equal to the sales of 2019. So since we have few missing fields for apparel in 2019, I'll just denote it as 2019, okay, and this is for the apparel department. I hope this much is understood. Then the fifth point is the total sales amount of the 4 home decor department increased by 70 crore from 2018 to 19. We are talking about home decor department, and from 18 to 19 it increased by 70. That means 2018 sales plus 70 should be equal to sales of 2019 in home decor. But now if we look at the home decor department of the 4 cities in 2018, some of the figures are missing from the table, okay. So let's skip this clue for a while. Let us find out more direct clues. In the sixth one, we have the sales amounts in the home decor department of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by 20 crore from 2018 to 19. So sales amount in home decor department of Delhi and Bangalore. So Delhi, Bangalore each increased by 20 crore. So home decor Delhi 2018 to 19, there was an increase of 20. So if 2019 it is 100, in 2018 it must have been 80 because there's an increase of 20. And similarly for Bangalore as well. So Bangalore in 2019 home decor it was 80. So in 2018 it must have been 60, 20 lesser, right? I hope this is understood. This was very easy. The next one is the sales amounts in the apparel department of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by the same amount in 2019 from 2018. Then the sales amounts in the apparel departments of Mumbai and Kolkata also increased by the same amount in 2019 from 2018. So sales amount in the apparel department of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by same amount in 2019 from 2018. So we are talking about apparel, Delhi and Bangalore increase is same. So apparel in Delhi increase is x to y, right? That means y minus x. This should be equal to the increase in Bangalore as well. So Bangalore apparels, if the increase is y minus x over here, in Bangalore also the increase should be y minus x. So of course this will be 2y minus x, because if we decrease y from 2y minus x, we'll get the same change as y minus x. Understood? This is simple. And the sales amount in the apparel department of Mumbai and Kolkata also increased by the sales amount in 2019 from 18. So now we have to take care of the apparel department, but now in cities of Mumbai and Kolkata. So Mumbai and Kolkata. Mumbai we cannot find out the increase because data of 2019 is missing. But if we look at Kolkata, the difference between these two, it is 54 minus x, right? Between these two, the difference is 54 minus x. So the difference should be 54 minus x in Mumbai as well. So y plus 54 minus x will be the value over here, okay? Then only the increase will be same in Mumbai, Kolkata apparel department from 2018 to 19. This is basic equation forming, okay? You all should know this. I hope so far you do not have any doubt. The last point here is the sales amounts in the apparel department of Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore in 2019 followed an arithmetic progression. So sales amount of apparel department of Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore in 2019, they are in AP. You know what is an AP? AP is a series in which difference between two consecutive terms is same. So Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore, and we are talking about apparel departments, these sales are in AP. So if 3 terms A, B, C are in AP, we can say that 2 times B is equal to A plus C, okay? I hope this is understood. How do we do that? Because some because difference between two consecutive terms is same. So difference between BA will be B minus A. This should be equal to difference between B and C. So C minus B. If you solve this, you ultimately get 2B equal to A plus C only. Okay. So I hope many of you know this. So 2 times Kolkata will be equal to B plus D, right? So apparel and 2 times Kolkata. So 2 times Kolkata apparel 2019. So 2 times 54, because the value of Kolkata apparel 2019 sales is 54, right? It should be equal to B plus D. That means in 19 apparel sales of Delhi is Y, and Bangalore apparel sales in 2019 is 2y minus x. So y plus 2y minus x. So y plus 2y minus x. Ultimately we get 3y minus x equal to 108, right? I hope this is understood. This is an equation which is very important. So we have an equation in terms of x and y over here. If we use this equation over here, here also we have something in terms of x and y. So let us make use of this. So here we are talking about apparel. Okay, so 2x plus 2y plus 40 is equal to 2019 total sales of apparels. So 2019 total sales of apparels will be y plus this y plus 54 minus x plus 2y minus x and then plus 54. So if we add all the y's first, so y plus y 2y, 2y plus 2y 4y. So this will be 4y. If we add all the x, then we have minus x minus is, that means 2x, so minus 2x. And finally if we add the numbers, we have 54 and 54. So 54 plus 54 is 108, so we'll add 108 to it. Understood? If you solve this further, we'll be getting 2y minus 4x equal to, we'll get minus 68. Or if you solve further, we'll get 2x minus y equal to 34, right? This is another equation which is in form of x and y. Now it is all about solving these two equations. So if you solve these two, let me solve them over here. Okay, so we have 3y minus x equal to 108, and then we have 2x minus y equal to 34. So if I multiply this equation by 2 and then add both of them, I will be getting what? 6y minus y, that will be equal to 250. Or if you solve further, we have 5y equal to 250, y will be equal to 50. Okay, so if y is 50, we can easily find out the value of x by putting y equal to 50 in any of the equations. So we'll get x equal to, say we put it in this equation over here. So 50, if we take it over here 150, it becomes 42. X will be equal to 42. Okay, so we have the values of x and y. We also need the value of z so that we can find out all the values in the table. So let me erase everything else because I do not need all this calculation now. I just need to have value of x and y and an equation which involves z so that I can easily find out the value of z. So let me erase this calculation part from here first. So we don't need this, and then we don't need even this as well. Not this. See, we already made use of this equation, right? So we don't need this as well. Now how to make an equation in form of z? In z, we are talking about, z is a variable which is involved with the department home decor, right? So we'll find out clues related to home decor department. So in the fifth one, the total sales amount of the 4 home decor department increased by 70 crore from 2018 to 19. So 2018 total sales of home decor department will be 80 plus z plus 60 plus z. That means how much? 140 plus 2z. So 140 plus 2z increase by 70. That means in the sales of 2018 we'll add 70 more and we'll get the total sales of home decor in 2019. So in 2019 it will be 100 plus 72, 172, 172 plus 80 is 252, 252 plus 54 is 306. So this basically gives us 2z equal to 306 minus 210, that means 96. So this is very easy. Z is equal to 48. Now I know the value of z as well. Let me put the values of x, y, z in the table. Now since we have filled all the values in the table of XYZ, we can easily answer the questions now. The first question is, in home decor department of which cities were the sales amounts the highest in 2018 and 19 respectively? So home decor sales amount 18 and 19 highest. Okay, so home decor last row, and 18 highest is in Delhi, of course it is 80 if you check the data of 2018 for all the cities, and in 2019 as well it is highest in Delhi 100. Okay, others are 72, 80 and 54. So Delhi and Delhi in 2018-19 we'll answer Delhi and Delhi. Okay, option A. What was the increase in sales amount in crore rupees in the apparel department of Mumbai from 2018 to 19? So apparel department Mumbai 2018 to 19. 2018 to 19 apparel department Mumbai 50 to 62. So this is an increase of 12, right? 12 crore. Option A will be the correct answer. Next is, among all the 12 departments, the 3 departments in each of the 4 cities, what was the maximum percentage increase in sales amount from 2018 to 19? So this needs a bit of calculation. I hope you know how to find out the percentage increase. So what is percentage increase? It is the change upon the initial value into 100, right? For example, initially value was 2 and then it increased to 4. So change here will be of 2 because it is increasing by 2, right? So 2 upon initial was 2 into 100, which means 100% change. That's how you have to calculate percentage change. Okay, let's go back and we'll check in which of these 12 departments the maximum percentage increase was there from 2018 to 19. So if we start from here 42 to 50, so there's a change of 8 because it is increasing by 8 upon initial is 42 into 100. So if you solve this, this will become somewhere around 1 by 5, right? 8 upon 42 is 1 by 5. So 100 upon 5, 20%. 20%, okay. Now let us look for bigger increases. 50 to 62. So change is 12 upon 50. So 12 upon 50 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 100 is close to 25%. So this becomes 25% approx. Okay. Moving further, 50 to 58. This is change of 8 upon initial is 50. So 8 by 50 is somewhere around 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of 100 is 16%. Okay. So we won't count this because we already have a greater percentage change of 25%, right? And then 42 to 54 is 12 upon 42. 12 upon 42 is 1 by 3. So 100 upon 3. That means somewhere around 33% changes over here. Okay, we are just calculating a rough estimate. Then 78 to 98, change of 20 upon initial is 78. 20 by 78 is somewhere around 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 100 is 25%. So we won't count this. I hope you know how I'm calculating this very quickly. I'm just taking the change. For example, 82 to 102. So there's a difference of how much? 20, right? 20 upon initial value is 82. So 20 upon 82 is somewhere around 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 100, because ultimately to convert fraction into percentage I have to multiply it by 100. So 100 by 4, that means this is also close to 25%. We won't count this. Then 90 to 70, this is not even an increase because the value is decreasing. So this is straight away gone. Then 80 to 100, 80 to 100, that means initial, that means the change is 20 because value is increasing by 20. Okay, upon initial is 80. So 20 upon 80 is exactly 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 100 becomes 25%. We won't count this because so far the greatest percentage change that we have encountered is 33%. Now let us talk about this in the home decor department. 80 to 100, again a change of 25%. 48 to 72. 48 to 72 is 24 upon 48. That means 24 upon 48 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 100, that means 50%. So yes, we have encountered a big change over here, which is 50%. Okay, over here. Then 60 to 80, there's a change of 20 upon initial is 60. So 20 by 60 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 100 is 33%. Again, this is lesser than 50. We won't count this. 48 to 54, that means change of 6. 6 upon 48, that means initial. So 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 100 becomes 12.5. We won't count this. So the biggest percentage change that we are encountering over here from 2018 to 19 in any of the departments, it is over here, which is 50%. So let us check if we have 50% in the options. Yes, option B. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next is, what was the total sales amount in crore rupees in 2019 for the chain of departmental stores? Total amount in crore rupees in 2019. So we just have to add all the sales amount in 2019. This is very easy. 50, 98, 100. This becomes how much? 248 if you add this. Okay. Then 62, 102, 72. So this is 236. So 236 from here. Then 58, 70. If you add this, this becomes 208. And at last we have this, which becomes 208. Okay. So 248 and 236 becomes how much? It becomes 484. So 484, and then here we have how much? 416 if we add 208 and 208. So 416, which in total becomes how much? 900. Okay, if you add this. So 900 will be the correct answer to this question, option A. Okay, this was not a very tough set. There was a lot of boring work involved here. You just have to keep solving some equation, then play with the numbers, addition, subtraction, and then percentage calculation. That's it.